Hey everyone, today we are doing a Boxy Luxe unboxing. This is my first Boxy Luxe. Thank you so much Boxycharm for sending this my way. I am so excited. So we're gonna unbox this and let's just get into it. So this is the box. It's super big. I'm really excited. Obviously I haven't done any makeup. First thing I see is an eyeshadow palette. And if y'all know me, you know I love me an eyeshadow palette, so I need to see this. And okay, it's the Rare Beauty Discovery eyeshadow palette came to play. I wonder if this is the one with the purple in it, because purple is kind of my fave, so maybe that'll be good. Boxycharm palettes that they have are always hit or miss for me, so we shall see how Boxy Luxe treats me. This packaging is interesting. This is by Selena Gomez, if you didn't know, and I kind of love Selena Gomez, but I've never tried Rare Beauty. So the packaging's, I'm not gonna lie, it feels cheap. Like, if it feels cheap. Ooh, this palette's cute. I don't understand if that middle shade is a glitter or not. Is it? No likes needed. 1 times what? Eyeshadow palette. Well, it says it's an eyeshadow palette. But that's what the palette looks like. It's cute. It's a little bit natural for me, but like, I like the vibe. That glittery shade is very pretty. Okay, so that's the first product we got. The next thing I see is a NARS product, and this looks like it's a lipstick, Chelsea Girl Sheer. I hope this isn't like super pink or something, because I tend to get like lipsticks I won't end up wearing. Oh, that's beautiful. Honestly though, I might have to give that to my mom because I feel like she'd wear that every day, and her birthday is coming up. But like, okay, that is one of the most, I love NARS's shades, but expensive, so I'm really happy with that. That is beautiful. I love that. I would love this, so I know my mom would, so I think I'm gonna have to give that to her as a gift because I just know she would absolutely adore that. That is beautiful. Next thing I see is Iconic London Sheer Blush. So let's open her up. This is in the shade Rose. I've never really been... Simon, quit grabbing at that. My cat's grabbing at my tripod. Okay, so this is a liquid blush. Oh, that's cute. It's like I wouldn't really call that rosy, but whatever. We'll put it on the back of my hand and we'll see. Oh, that is more pink than rose, to be honest. But let's see. Maybe it'll... Oh, it does blend into like a rosy flush, I would say. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty. I am excited to try this. I might use this today, to be honest. Stop that! My cat is terrorizing me. Stop it! Stop. Yeah, you. The next the next product we have is Keys. Is it Keys? I hope it's Keys. Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. This looks promising. I mean, I'm always down for serums and I love to glow, so this feels luxurious. This looks luxurious. Oh my lord. That looks really pretty. I am enticed to see the price of this because this is really nice. Oh, it just, ooh, this is fancy. I sound so dumb, but I'm really excited about this. There are so many products in this Luxe box. Damn. Okay, next we have a Patrick Ta. I've never tried Patrick Ta. I am excited. I think this is a lip gloss in the shade, yeah, Major Glow Lip Shine in the shade Pearl. So I'm not a big fan of getting a ton of glosses because I already have most of the ones I want. So this is really pretty though. Oh my god. Psst, watch yourself. I think I'll try this on because it's really pretty. It's a shade Pearl. It's beautiful. So we're gonna try it on today. We're gonna do the gloss. That, oh god, that shine. Okay. And this smells divine. I love that it doesn't smell like food. I don't know what the scent is, but it's really good. I would prefer it to be a little bit more glossy on a nipple. I can't speak today on initial application, but oh, that's gorgeous. I look ratchet today. I'm sorry, but that's just how it be sometimes. The next product we have is an Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. I'm always down for face washes. I mean, at this point, because of Boxycharm, I'm never going to have to buy another face wash. I have so many, and I'm always down. This is for blemish-prone skin, which, girl, I need. I get acne here. It's mainly hormonal. Why do I speak? The next product we have is the UV Limited Collection BU 3 full-size and 3 mini makeup blenders. They sent me a sponge set like this in a previous box. I literally think it was like, if it wasn't last month, the month before. Those are so cute. Oh my god, look at how, oh my god, those are adorable. Those are so tiny. Okay, so you have 3 normal size and then, yeah, 3 minis. Those are so cute. Those are, you could literally gift your friend one of these. Those are so cute. This is the Huda Beauty Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I did see like the preview of like the choices. I don't get to choose because Boxycharm just sends me the boxes. I don't get to choose any of like the individual things. I just get the boxes and unbox them for you guys. So I didn't get to choose this, and I am pleasantly surprised. I'm excited. I hope it doesn't break me out because I am sensitive, but we shall see. I mean, I've kind of wanted to try the Huda Beauty skincare line for a while, so I don't know. I'm excited. I'm always down for moisturizers. Lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric. This should be good. Oh my god, I bet this smells beautiful. It does, and it has like a pearlescent glow to it. Really, really pretty. I love this, and the packaging is just beautiful. I mean, it's gonna look beautiful on my vanity. Gentle, simple, effective. Made in South Korea. Huda Beauty, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm really excited for this. I mean, this is what the product looks like. It looks good. I can put some on my wrist and try it, but I'll put it on my face too, why not? Oh my god, that feels so, that feels heavenly. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a big like skincare person. Like, I don't know everything about skincare, so it just feels really, really nice, to be honest. That was the entire unboxing, so let's go through the products. So the Rare Beauty palette is $29 US. That's what it retails for. The Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer retails for $43. The NARS lipstick, $26. The wash, the face wash, $49. I'm not going through all this. That serum though is worth $65. So this box in itself is definitely worth it, especially for me. For a Summer Luxe box, I think this is fun. I'm really happy with this. These products are beautiful, and I love that you do get an awesome deal for what you pay. This is how much Boxy Luxe costs currently in US dollars. I'm from Canada, so I end up paying in Canadian, and I can't even speak today, but it's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, MakeupByTashXO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.